Hi, my name is Cedric M. Bentilois. My poem is The Song of Maria Clara. Sweet hours, sweet the hours and the native country where friendly shines the sun above. Life is a bridge that sweep the meadows. Tranquil is death. Most tender love, warm kiss on the lips are playing as we awake to a mother face. The arm that is seeking to embrace her eye is smiling and has grace. How sweet to die for the native country where friendly shines the sun above. Death is bridge for him who has no country, no mother, and no love. The song is Maria Clara is a poem from Jose Rizal novel No Limitang Ere. It reflects Maria Clara's love for her homeland and the Philippines and the deep longer for place, beauty, and freedom. The poem highlights her gentle and patronic spirit, symbolizing an idealized image of the Filipina woman during the Spanish colonia era. Modest, loving, and devout to her country. Through this song, Rizal emphasized them of nationalism, satisfies, and the purity of the Philippine identity.